Now let's see what we are going to do today with Pictoblox. So we are going to learn about voice recognition classifier. Okay, so talk to your computer. So you are going to make your computer learn to understand specific words you say. Like you can teach simple commands like jump, stop, dance, open your mouth. The more you practice, the better it gets at recognizing your voice. So without wasting time, I'm going to open your Pictoblox. So you have to download, right? And I told you that download how to download. So this icon will come, Pictoblox. Once you click, it will give you this interface. So this is the interface that will appears when you logged in. So you have to use your Google account or something to create to log in this system, this Pictoblox app. So it gives you like junior blogs, PI editor, not notebook is there, 3D and XR studio is also there. And then we have machine learning environment. So what you have to do, you have to click on machine learning environment. So just a moment. Yeah. So you have to click here. So machine learning environment. So once you click on this machine learning environment, yeah. So what you have to go on create new project. So you have to click here, create new project. Once you click here, it will give you this. So here it is mandatory to give name. So I'm giving this as example. You can give any name to it. And the description is optional now. So you can do image classifier, object classifier, pose classifier, hand pose classifier, and audio. So today I'm going to discuss audio and you can try others by yourself. So once you have to click on audio classifier and you have to click on create projects. So by clicking it, what you are creating machine learning environment in your Scratch. So now there are two classes that has been created. The first is your background noise. This is your something by default one. So you have to just add some example of your background noise because the machine needs to learn and we need to train machine about background noise as well, that how the background noise look like, whether you are giving command or it's just a background noise, right? They always exist some kind of noise in the background, right? So we have to add at least 8 samples should be there. The more your sample will be, the more good result you will find. Okay, more accurate result you will find, right? It makes sense, right? When we give you more example, like if I'm teaching you maths, if I give you more and more example, so the more clarity will come to you, isn't it? So in the same way, so this is your class 2. So if you want to, like, whatever you want to perform, like if I want the sprite, I hope Scratch is, everyone knows about the Scratch, right? So if I want this sprite in the Scratch should jump, when I say jump, or should do something, so like on my command, on my command, like that is jump, or I just say clap, or just I say walk. So you can just add those samples. So let's see how we are going to do that. So okay, so first we have to record this. Let me see. Back noise. So I'm just clicking on this microphone and just clicking on hold. So it is keep on. See, one audio sample, 4, 5. So at least 8 should be there. Okay. So now we have 10 audio samples of the background noise. So we can just say it jump, right? Okay. So I'm going to say jump, 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 jump. Okay. So now the next is, so this is eight samples of both. Now you have to train your model. Train means now it will process it. So it will, so we can see how the trainings look like. It will make a graph which shows that whether it is accurate or not. So let's see, it is working on that. So based on the samples that you have given to the machine, it is just getting trained. So it seems okay. So we have to wait. We have to hold our horses, right? Now training completed and model accuracy is good. It says, can you see? It says that model accuracy is good. On the top, on the green, it says that, right? Now you have to test your audio by just saying. So let's see. So you can see background noise. It is responding on back noise. Jump, 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 jump. So you can see 92% jump, jump, jump. So this is the testing, right? Now you can export your model. So when you export your model, so our machine learning model is ready. Basically, this is the model that is ready. Now what we have to do, export model in your block-based programming. So we have two options. You can export this in your Python also and in your block-based programming also. Okay, so now when you export, this interface will come, which is very similar to your Scratch. We have Sprite that is in this. The name of this sprite is Toby. This is our Toby, Mr. Toby. And can you see my blocks? So what is the difference here? Just a moment. Let me just show. So here we have just a moment. Okay, so we have these blocks the same way we have in Scratch, like we have these blocks, motion, look, sounds. But yes, inside my blocks, because I have just exported the machine language model, so I have these four different blocks as well from machine learning. Okay, so this is a machine learning environment. Rest all are same as we have in our Scratch. Apart from that, we have this build. We have one more tab is there. In Scratch, we do not have this Python. We have Python's tab as well. Okay, rest is same. This is sprite. This is background. We can just work around. So let's see how we can create it work. Yes, we have one more here. We have extension. So if you want to add any extension, like in our next videos, I'm going to teach about computer vision. So we are going to use extension from here. Okay, now, so let's just a moment. Let me just process it. Okay. So this is our Toby, Mr. Toby, this motion. Okay, so we know controls when events, we have to go on event when this clicked. So what we have to do, you have to open recognition window, right? So this is recognition window should get open when this get clicked. Now, if this happened, let's have this block when back noise is predicted. So we have option jump or back noise. So when back noise is predicted, so we just want motion, just move 10 steps. Okay, so let's see. So you can see that recognition window gets open. Yeah, so just a moment, let me just click move 10. uh, Wait, just let's take an event, right? Control, so wait for some seconds. Wait for, or just let's say, say something, right? Say hello. Okay, so let's see. So when this get clicked, it opens recognition window. See, it is not able to detect this. Just yes, see, background noise detected, so it's just moved, right? So let's do something for jump as well. So what I will do, I will just duplicate it, right? So when background noise is generated, this happened. When jump is predicted, so instead of moving, let's do something. Uh, just change the costume. What's it? Next costume. Okay, and just say jump. What's it, right? So let's delete this and see. So what I have done, I have just created the event when this flag created. I hope you are aware that this is the starting point. And then I'm just opening a recognition window. That is the window from the machine learning model. And when it is detecting background noise, so have you seen that window is running on the left hand side? It moves 10 steps and say hello for 20 seconds. And then when jump is predicted, so it is going to change we are going to change the costume of Toby and it will say jump and wait for 20 seconds. So let's see. Okay. Uh, jump, 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 jump. So now it's hello, right? Jump. So when it just so the kind of inputs we have given based on it, it is responding, right? Sometimes it is taking background noise and saying hello, and when it is detecting jump, it is doing the jump. So the input that I gave is not very accurate. That is why it is not always responding on my jump, right? When I say jump, so we have to train. So this means my training is not proper. So because I was just giving you example, that is why I have just put 8 samples. But yes, we required to put lots of sample to train the system, train the machine. Like if I teach you, I give lots of example, only then you understands the concept. In the same way, machine also needs lots of example, lots of samples to respond properly. So it is taking my background noise. You can see that it is giving here this is the recognition window. You can see it is giving that this 76% match, so 50-50. So so it is giving the hello, that is noise. It is considering it as a noise. So jump, 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 jump. So see, so so this is machine, so we need to learn it. I hope you understand it, the concept. So what I want you to just practice it and play, just practice other classifiers also. We have image classifiers, we have so many classifiers present in this Pictoblox. So please make a better and best use of it. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned for other videos.